Anyways, we'll do that. Well, if you would not click everywhere, that would be fantastic. Thank me. Right, we can get back to proper work. After debugging Docker for 3 hours, we can get to somewhere actually. Fantastic. Very fantastic. Can I hear myself? Yeah, that's good. Okay, now, wait, I don't need the documentation just yet. Probably. Double security bug, what if I send this to Git? Where's the Git? Somehow I get the feeling I need to do Git Git commit. Git commit. Docker debug. This one I was added. Docker debug to work. That's good enough. Huge. Now comes the question. Does it work on the server? On render? I have my doubts. Well, did he push it? Possibly. Let's see what happened. When? I can't tell if it's doing it or it finished. It didn't say it's live. Maybe it is. How do you keep losing my deployment? Just deploy it. Oh, but there it is. Oh, crap. This is awesome. It works. But I will just move you. Oh, that's great. What did you... How do you have... What did you pull from? You have random data in you, okay? Well, not my problem. Actually, this is my problem, but I refuse to accept any responsibility for anything that I do. Okay, now we'll actually get to finally do what we were supposed to do. I don't actually know. Oh, crap. Oh god, this is a Docker compose. Yes, it is. We have that. What? Ah, yeah, Docker compose up. Okay, that works. Yes, we got that. Okay. Did I get a request? Guess we can write the basics for that. Oh yeah, we don't have controllers. Completely forgot about that. Controller? Did I? Did I? Wait, did we need? Now we do. We do. Well, at least I know how to do it, so it's not that bad. It's roller. Wait. Rails? Not rollers? I tune up to put it in there. It pops up. Yes, move. Perfect. So to compose, you'll have to add that. There we go. Put the rollers. That's how you add it. What do I have? Mail. How do you manage that? I'm pretty sure you succeeded. Controllers. Controller. Perfect. Perfect. Wait, what happened? Doesn't mean you fail, but how do you fail? You fail? Yeah, okay, but if you would load. You did it, but you also did not do it? What? But it seems to work, so I'm kind of confused. What failed? Me. Ah, are you? I didn't code it. We have stuff that we shouldn't have there. Oh boy. You wait, ready git status. What do we have? Oh, that's not helpful. Perhaps we can ignore it. Place for now. No, getting started is the biggest problem. First and foremost. Okay. Okay, let's make a title at least. Oh yeah, I should ditch. Well, run this local. Docker compose up. Build it again. Build it. Bob the builder will build. I have to get Docker container eventually. I think it's started up. Yep, it's doing its job. So that's positives. Okay, let's change. Layout is layout. This shall be thread. Thread. Thread shopping lists. Perfect. One thing has been done. Title and statistics outlined. What the hell? Okay, you want the list X. had something, there was something about, I think it was in the application example, how to actually make that work. Ooh. Where's the go? Let's nip. I don't make I made it into a link, right? With the A, the HTML href, href reference. Figure it out. Oh, there it is. Yes, that's where it is. I guess. Okay, perfect. We're gonna use this. Actually, the button we're gonna do well. Maybe like this. Yes. Yes. Ref equals. Where should it go? Is it go to list? List only. The past lists. Wait, what? Is it gonna take a bit more brain? Href. I mean, just do slash list. For now. Lists. And slashing. Let's see what happened. Oh, yeah, it doesn't do anything. Oh, wait, shouldn't it do something? Could I actually make use of it? Is that the actual page? I don't think I went to where I need to be. What if I do that? Wait, right, not happen. Did not go where I wanted to. No. So this first time, what happens that GBD will finally have its entrance, make its entrance. If it would open, well, it would have been a great time. There we are. Using aid. Well, how would I link to? Would I link to? Ooh. Okay. Okay, this is exactly how I envisioned it. Oh wait, what is it supposed to be, big or small? Huh, I'll figure it out. There's last list. Take this, but URL. Well, oh, it's right. We don't even redirect anywhere. Go high. We're supposed to go elsewhere. Currently, everything says they just redirects specific place. Ooh, can you? Console on. URL path Even path Even path Okay, that's gonna go. Yes. Yes, I have found lists. Okay, then we can. We will have to return a different file. We need a. We don't need to count the DD anymore. We used to have that, but we can now change it. We have that. Get request list shows a form and can add shopping list and a list of existing shopping lists. I guess I'll just name this list the layout list. But this is not ETA for now. You shall go or render actually the list for the ETA now. Data. Yeah. Yes. Everything shall work out. Oh. Well, that's the way to explode everything, isn't it? Wow. How did I break? How did I break? Oh. Oh, I get it. I get the problem. I understand. I understood. Somebody. Wait. Should we just well, okay, I'm gonna do this unique because all code will be changed anyways. Java this. You can't fail me now. And there we are. Right place. Right time. Oh, that was fine. Link to lists. Hey, we already do that. We do that now. What do you mean credentials not including code? Oh wait, you're old. You're old. How did it? No. Okay, cool. Outdated. We don't use connection pools anymore, or at least those types. We already have what we want from that. I don't know what the credentials not included. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Me has not written me stuff very well. Oh yeah, that's okay. Should we search form? Okay. Now we have. Now we want to go to the class list. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, the problem is I don't really know the difference between controller. I haven't really grasped the difference between a controller and a service. What's the difference? Like, seriously? Wait, there's the web application architecture. I can abuse that. Layered architecture, yeah. Ah, yes, controlling which function of this card for which replacing property. Additional control layer for controllers. Create separate. Okay. This is very yes. And the file address controller. Okay, response details. Okay. What is it? Utils. We'll need a utilities thing eventually. But for now, lead address. Wait, what? Add this. But then what the heck does the service do? Would have functionality, but that didn't answer my question. What does service? What does a service do as opposed to a controller? My brain needs more info. It asks. Yes, you shall go there. View template. Oh, right, you have that. That's controller. The first one. Okay, we have run the file, task service. Okay, service. Redirect, add task. So view task. So you do actions to something here. What's the service for? What's the service controller for? Service things for? 4 countries, okay, whatever you want. Service, create, find, and finish. How does that from a controller? You have not explained this. Yes, no. That's not. You will have to. We'll have to change one thing, which is the list. Because we'll add a list to the event. Oh no. Problem is in the controller. What is it supposed to do? Maybe GPT has an idea. What is the different? Oh, you're running. What is the difference between controller and a service? Web development. What is the difference? What is it the one doing? The controller is responsible for handling incoming requests. Okay. Intermediary between client and logical services. Oh god. Controllers handle tasks such as passing request data. Okay, so we have stuff is like get this controller does that, but there is also handle the adding, like add thing. Service encapsulating, I think that doesn't help me at all. Modular, oh wow, you just used the more complicated way to explain this. Modular components, tasker operations, external systems. What we can you give a simple example for run runs? Thanks, buddy. Again, certainly, yes. Example of a controller, okay. Okay, this has like create controllers. Wait, we have controllers. Here we go. Do I wanna have a list? List controller? Lists? List control. Philips. Okay, it can create something, get something from the database. A service. Okay. I think I'm starting to get it. There's more very similar. The only difference is that service specifically has the actual code to get stuff. So the controller is just uses the service, but just asks it to do everything for you. It's very similar. No wonder the confusion. New file. Should it be list? For now it can be list controller. I should have really. But it should be JS. Your JavaScript. Okay. List controller the JS. The problem is it that thing? Did you have a tasks controller or task controller? That would probably help me figuring out what to do. Task controller, service functionality, Actually, I could go next part. Do you have the fuck? Oh, task controller, work entry controller. Okay, we can just list controller. Okay, now the list controller. I think it takes the no service. We just import how should we import in the first place? The service import stuff. Task service. Yeah, that's a service. It imports the database and gets stuff from there. The controller. Render file. Okay, import everything from as service from /services /task no task. Oh, it's shit. First we have to rename it. You know, we have to rename it to list service. Is it lists? Eh, this service. This service now. Ooh, yes. Yes, import. Update everything. If you can. List service. Import everything from this service. Also import. We need a render file. Oops. Okay. Render file from. Hey, thanks. Now we can use some stuff. We can get the response. I don't know who has it. Do you have it? Oh, you have them. The app has everything. For reasons beyond my. You have the response details to redirect to. Wait a minute, I was wondering about one thing. One thing that was clear was the util. Oh, I think we'll eventually move it, right? I'm pretty sure I'll end up making enough stuff to create a. Didn't you have a rule of? Oh, you've already moved it. Give text, space, individual, showing, mapping, what? Oh, yes. Refactoring. Move function to request the utils. Yep, we need utils. Well, I think we'll end up needing utilities. Or utils. Wait, is it utils? Yeah. If I request utils JS. There we have. You will use it. But we have an export. That's a good point. We would have. Aha, remember that. Redirect to, you will export that. Now everyone else will just join. Yeah. Import is redirect to from utils. Okay, thanks. How did it for me? Got it for me? Perfect. Now we can move back a bit. Go back a bit. I mean, we'll be using a huge part of same code from this one. Oh. Now we already got that database stuff. There's a service finally. No. We're trying to find the controller stuff. Or deal with the controller. Okay, then we have add stuff. We have creations and view. Now comes the uniqueness of our work, I suppose. Add shopping lists and a list of existing shopping lists. Add list. Okay, this gets very curious, right? It's a list add, right? We have a list of shopping lists, but then I'm going to add a list, right? Add constant add list. Is it add list? Yeah. Asynchronous request. You know, being able to program without having to deal with debugging for a while is absolutely lovely. Ooh, we want stuff then. Huh. Oh, I see. I see. Const. So I guess we're getting the form data, whatever that will end up being. Wait. Request. Right. Form data. So form data. Away. Haha. Well, I wish there were something. I mean, I guess at least have content. I think it should be list or name. Whatever. Form data get gonna go with that idea. Wait. List service dot. Well, it's going to be. No, maybe create list. Wait. Create list. We add. Is it list? Return. Let me return. Redirect. What? Redirect. To. We're done. We're done. Oh wait, redirect to specific. Right. List. List for now. List for now. List form. Form is a thing. Form data is a thing. Create list. Now we need to go to this. Well, actually, we can modify one of this. List. Oh, did it be using something that long? It's very. Fuck it up. Remove the. Open this name. At least this name. Is it into the shopping list name. At the list name. Right? Wait. Is it into values and the beat? About it? Okay, now we have create list. Actually it does something. Bam. So now I want to actually test it out. Oh, list list. Keep your configuration used. I think. List service. We don't take it. That's important. It's not important. Now. Do we? I think we do actually do the URL stuff here. This ETA, yeah. Let me do that. The redirect. I have to get the redirect. Import redirect from. It do my job for me. I can't believe this. I've been betrayed. It's in utils. Records utils and a little bit. I redirect properly. Oh, probably. Oh, why? That's broken. I don't have. I do not have. Mm, database services and so on. And controllers and stuff. Use can be last. The composed trigger compose. The utils and boom. Here we need to shut it down and rebuild it. Build it up again. We've done quite a few things. Shall we please? Oh god. Yeah, whatever. Did it actually work? No, that happened. Happens from time to time. No. Forward. Migration necessary. Okay. You don't seem to have any problem. Oh, you do have a problem. Uh, yes. Oh, whoops. It's supposed to be .js. What are links being found? Oopsie. Oopsie. What? Is something else? Oh, right. Where is it? It's something broken. It is. I know. Oh, this serves. That's where the broken is. This great list. Now it's listening on. But I have active testing every time I do something. Well, fair enough. Bit of an error. That's a new one. I get the feeling of idea what the problem is. Yeah. Phones. Yeah. Wait, do we leave both of them out? Does that make sense? You should have an answer to this. Well, you are. Brain. I think it's in Moral Entries chapter. What you got? What you got? You after that. Oh, hey, didn't move the response detail. What the hell does response detail even do? Why wouldn't you move them? Hmm? What the? What the crap is you? Oh, did you never use? You never use my response details? Wait a minute. There's a bit of a the path. Are we ignoring that? Oh, okay. Response details. Well, you have those as well. I mean, we could. Well, we could keep the response details in the request utils and give it out. But I don't know if it's necessary. I'll keep it for now. Just access it from everywhere else. Response details. Maybe I will do this. How about now? Will you explode in the exact same way? Okay, no explosions. That is progress. Hey, look at that. 2 for 1. 2 for 1, no explosions. I am proud. Ooh, a lot of effort. Whew. Impressively, it hasn't been even an hour. I made a decent amount of progress. Not a whole lot, but decent. The listers. Okay, now what did we actually need to do? I don't understand what I've written down anymore. With the main page done. Get the request list. Okay, shows a form that can be used to add a shopping list. And create a list of existing shopping lists. Okay. No, used to add. Oh, shop, add, and view. Add shopping list. List. The active are shown. Only active ones are shown? Okay, gotcha. We need to... You get that full? Should we put this? Oh, well. Okay, never mind. Maybe I don't. Maybe do that? Crap. I think I need to. Huh. I think this is a different thingy. Read about it doesn't need anything. Yeah, all these content would need columns then. Oopsie. Forgot about that. Okay, that was broken. Fine. Yeah, perfect. We have. I'm confused at what to do. So many things to do, yet know how to get the ideas. View template? Nah, wait, what? I can get it later, technically. Where do we? Huh? I don't know. Is it just in the service system? Yeah, it is, but you just. Uh, okay, this is starting to make a lot more sense. Controller. Okay, I'm gonna need another. View lists. What do we actually need for view listing? Oh, we just need to make a data object. Data equal. Blanking all of the code. I don't think anybody cares. With list I have this service. Service dot right. I guess we can do that. What do we need? That thing for no reason. In the comma over there. Somebody knows the answer to that question. It's not redirect. We need the response details. Well, response details. Response. Wait, do we have render file? Oh, we do have render file. It is the lists that they create. Data. Huh? How could you be the most? Wait, render file data, and then we get the response details. Right. List. No longer land. What was the rule here? I think it was active lists. Active lists. Like for now, remember, change to the after this. Oh yeah, last is no longer in active list. Not database list control. Become list. Does anybody else? For example, you. List. Turn redirected. Alright, it's happening. I want to in the this ETA add some stuff in the form. Form method post. Okay, have a post. Well, should a form add shopping list. Okay. We have a list of existing lists. Okay. Nothing else. We have a post. I remember there being something funky here that we need to take into account. Like service view template. Ah, yeah. Where's the action in // form method action? Like, why is there an action attribute? Okay, so change the specific page. Okay, cool. Action equals this alpha. Literally slash. This sender. No, we don't have it. This example. Have okay. This. What? Right like this? I do it right like. The type. Is it? Input text. This one's name will be list. Uh, yeah. Could change everything to be shopping list. Yeah. I'll make that. I'll make some. Everything's just list. Message. But add the list. You'll need a submit. Text input field with attribute. How? Okay, fine. You want a name? You want a name? You get a name. Okay, never mind. I didn't want to do that, but you have forced my hand. This saved me a lot of trouble. The minimum form is done with the post request the bad lists. Okay, input. I don't use submit them. Or should we just create? No. Request adding a news. No, news up. Path lists. The path lists. Submit. What we can just do? Create. Or add. Whatever. But it says specific. The minimum form is done the post request to the path list. Ah, right. Okay, that does one, I think. Yes. Oh, adding a new shopping list with the home lists using the post redirect get pattern. Okay, after you create a list, send back to the universe. Yeah, how do you actually edit? I can't remember how to do it. Ha ha ha. Didn't that already do it? I have to look at my service thing. I'm not doing listening. Create list. Who uses create list? What is using create list? It list controller run. Oh. I mean, you can add list. You should do that. You should not be named create. Okay. Who? Somebody needs to call a pawn. Who else wants to do that? Oh. Right here. Now if good. Yeah. Raise it over there. Because post, if it's post, it should be capitalized. List. Create list. This is getting awkward because now I need to get I have to get the form data for it. Ah, I get it. We can ignore it. So we just make a bit of a issue. Alright. Oh, wait, you're supposed to be added. I wonder. Add. Oh, we don't even have this control. No, that's good. Import all from this as this control from finish. controllers, strategies, functional. I don't care. Just list controller list controller the I guess then have you no wait how do you even start this if you start 10 years ago? Wait, was he still created before or something? Who has that? Who's not happy about videos? Oh wait, somebody's not happy about my thingy, but I can tell. Somebody throwing a tantrum on me. I will find you. Ah, you. There's this control. No one. Wait, oh my god, that's dips. That's really dips. Yeah, yeah. Oh god, that's really least of steps. Oh no, 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 no. We're not. Yes. Is everybody now having a getting the right files? It appears to be so. You mean you didn't find something? I will send you. Oh wait, no, 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 it's this. Holy moly. Goodness. Dropping this name! Oh! Jojo. Jojo everything. Ah, we good ad. Well, you broke it. What do you mean, ad? Assistant function. I'm gonna come to get you. App.js. There you are. There you are. Get you. What do you mean? It's, oh crap, I never exported them. Might be a that might answer why nothing's working. Which I think I need it. That's right. You come. Yeah. When you export, you export. Wait, what have I done? What have I done? Show me my files. I rush nothing but my own files. Oh yeah, I should probably split screen. Or a bigger screen. Have my code on one side. And have the website on the other side. And so we go all the way back. Then go there. Yeah, that's correct list. Explosion. Well, what's broke? Reference zero. Okay, I'm trying to touch. Who was trying to touch Mrs. Yeah, Mrs. Touch a set. Is insane. I have to go. Please do. No issue. File. Oh, whatever. Yeah, I don't think we need the illustrative for the first page anymore. Undefined form data. Huh? So what am I doing wrong with the form data? Yes, we have a form data. We have a controller. As a service, we have the controller. Yes. Requires form data. Get the data. Redirect to tasks, whatever. I think it's fine. I think everything's cool. It's okay. Probably. Are you problem? I meant it's broke. Fine. It is fine. Yeah, still expert. You have a undefined reading form data. Okay, I'm screwing something up with the form data. Oh well. Fix this. Oh, you should not. I did not trust me. If no one trusts me, including myself, that we can do everything. But do lists active. It is this undefined reading data. It is undefined. You're undefined. Soon you'll be 6 foot under, underdefined. You know? What are you talking about? Seems like I'm some. Oh, I think I'm sorry. Problem is get just to get the name right. Oh, we're starting. Because for now, isn't it? Exploded. Undefined reading. Fine. What is it reading? Alright. Alright. Service. Right. For method, we get the method, the name is submit. Form is that ETA having a problem. Form method, we have the form method, we have the place. Everything should be fine-ish. So where's the problem? On reading formula. We have an undefined reading. Request. Okay, what? Synchronize. Okay. What if I have an idea? If I go back to this where the modifications are made, you do you. I figure everything else out. Oh wait, whatever the. Oh crap! Oops! I hit something. I should not hit. Yes, controller. Oh, we're supposed to give it the request. Controller add. Right, that's bug. Yeah, it takes a request. No wonder. Okay, so again, create. Well, here's going to the longest place in Earth. I have no idea where you went. You went to the last place. So that's not it. Is it? It might be because I think I have. Right. We need a return away there. So we don't return back. Yeah. We don't. Otherwise, we redirect forcibly redirect to the beginning. Okay, then we come back. We need to now. Okay, do I have? Jeez, somebody rewrite everything. Crap, I do not trust any. Alright, let's see. What was the? There's a. What was the? How do I delete? Delete you. Wait, how do you delete? Where am I doing? Oh, Control Shift delete. I'll send you. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to redo everything. Well, whatever. Actually, we'll just redo everything. Whew. Okay. Off already. Do not intend to speak with you. Keep the paragraph. Yeah. Paragraph. Main page. Okay, let's do this. Check. Lists. Link to lists. Where's lists? Shopping lists. I will. paragraph, and now we have the shopping lists page. Set. Okay, now we get the list.pta. Created. Oops. Whatever. Add ability. Can add. What is it? New list to database. Shows all active lists. Get redirect. Get post. Get password. Implemented. I think that's actually already active. I'll do that. I'm making really good progress right now. Yeah, already what? Prayer. 20%. 25. I'll give myself 25% that. Okay, we need to now show all the lists. This has some good for the good code for that somewhere. Or a bit, I don't know. I don't trust anybody but myself. And this code. There we go. No, that's not it. That's not what I was looking for. Oh, listen tasks. It's right there. Wrong place there. Where is it? You have the template. Right. The index. I didn't have that. Nobody has the thing I needed. Okay, UL as a UL list history doesn't it dot okay whatever we're talking about. Yeah, we have lists. Task. Tasks PTA now. Task job. I'm confused. Where's the it tasks? I will loop through. Okay. I think I have an list. Yeah. Maybe I can look at forms and data. Storing and showing form data. I think that'll be good. I should have a code for that. ETA, okay. It dot songs. Somehow I get. Is it that the data piece? As your view template, but you don't actually have the data, the actual data thingy. Oh, there you have. They are okay. So now it's. I think it's lists. This that. I didn't name the list. Right? In the settings. It's in the controller. Yep, lists. List dot. Wait, do I need a dot? Well, that's on it. That's on the other. For the template. There we are. For each. Oh yeah, for each. We didn't have any kind of intelligence for this thingy for some reason. It's magic. Magic, I know. Magical limitations. How do I do? Wait. I think I can name it what I want. And then point to, or then list it. Oh, that's a good thing. Boink. For now is list and slash list. Do the actual list now. Percentage equals list dot name. I think it's name. That's the object inside of it. Percentage you got that, I got this, you got that, and you got this. You slap these together and you should have a list. Explosion. What exploded? For each one. For each. You should be able to read to the for each. There's something about it. Somehow, somewhere in this something listed. Active list. So you're getting the lists data to us. List. Oh, I get it. I got one problem. I'm supposed to do the wait. And this is list controller, the new lists, and give a request to them. I think that's where the buggy is coming from. Well, the request, get request. I don't also know why you're requesting the request. Person? You have other stuff, right? Whatever. So that's important. Is not getting the list. Like where active equals false. Default value is false. Let me just make one little change. I don't think that is a problem, or might be a problem. Look at the boolean default equals true. Ah. So we just have to change this. Come on. I don't know why the default is true. Actually, that makes Okay, now we get all of our lists to show. All active lists are now shown. Phew. What else can I possibly do? Wah. Wah. There's some code missing. Oops. Something dropped. Not important. We can create, we can list items. So far, so good. Curiosity. Curiosity. Ah. No, yes. We didn't return an. Doing a return. Wait. Here's a wait. To create creation. They're being listed now, which is fine. I don't care about that. I think we can do a bit of documentation. This is the statistics. The main page shows. The main page shows the has a link to the shopping list where one whoa. List and shows the statistics. I don't know what that is yet, but we will soon know. Shopping lists. Shopping lists. As lists are have the shopping shopping list, the shopping lists page. Lists page shows currently active shopping lists and a form allow for the creation of a new shopping list. That database has. Do you document database? Maybe. I don't know. I've written documentation. I don't like it too much. Who could? Do all my document. Wait, I could just have a ChatGPT do all my documentation, couldn't I? I'm a fucking genius. I'll do that later then. What do we? Okay. We've done some basics. Okay, we have a get. By the way, I get the feeling we can to create them list. Now, yeah, the get post get request pattern is working. Should they? I'll have to think about. I might have to add the. I think I'll add the condition that you can't with an empty named shopping list. You might not be allowed to create. What is it? Shopping list that with the same name. Perhaps. Form shown at list has a text input field with the attribute. That's done. Okay, adding a new shopping list. Let's use that. The list of existing shopping lists. List is a link to a shopping list specific page. Okay, it's post the ID. Great. I kind of get the feeling. I kind of had the feeling that would eventually come back. You bite me in that. Bite me in that hand. Right? I'll have to use waivers. No, I need to deal with that. Get to the task. Okay. We get two tasks as ID, variety, response. Okay, post to post. Post. Okay. Work entry service. Bravo. Wait. Away. Record as lists ID, variety, database ID. We have two databases, by the way. Not two databases, but database bases. List item. Why? Oh, we have the items. We'll get to the items when we get to the items. We don't need whatever you have. Right, okay, modification. We have the ligma bone. Ligma. Now you're still the kind of the same thing. I mean, it's still the same thing, except now you have your reference to lists slash yeah. Perfect. Done perfectly. In terms of explosion, we need to have a econ, okay. We need to have a list dot ID hard. Where do we get an ID? Obviously, given IDs. I sure hope so. Otherwise, this is immediately turning into a bigger problem than I would ever hope to deal with in my later existence. How's that? Hopefully, that doesn't explode. I mean, okay, it seems to work. We just need the individual lists place now. A task specific page. Now we have to have. Now comes actually exactly what I was planning for. Need the list of. Plan for that. I planned for this. I planned for all of this. I think. I wish. I did. I say I did. But H3, so header 3. Well, no, actually header 1. It's too big. It's a bit big. Alright, that's a good idea. Have it that be the task name. List dot. Oops. 8.list.name. I wonder how this is gonna end up working. But I'll copy as much as I want to. I don't know if it affects the grade at all. 8. Yeah, so this, oh, that's I'm really confused. What are you doing with your current work entries and what else are you doing? What's the work entry for? I think I still need to figure that out. You have ask. They have work entry. Okay. I think this is the basics of it. Work entries. Table of work entries corresponds to work entries that each belong to a specific task. And the current, not current work entry. What the hell is it even supposed to mean? I don't think we saw anything. We have the list items. Okay, we might have to do split screen here. Yeah. Perfection has been achieved. That's automated now. Wait, what? Didn't put that away. Okay, get a request. Yeah. Okay, we can get request there. I think I'm gonna add that to my these things I've done. Get request get to individual task. Boink. Okay, now we gonna do this paragraph list page check. What do we need to do here? What do we need to do here? Okay, shows the name of the shopping list. Show name of specific shopping list. That's already done. A form for adding item to shopping list. and a list of adding items, list of already existing items in the shopping list. Shopping list specific page. A link to /lists named shopping lists. Okay, cool. That was really simple. I have a good idea. Well, I don't have a good idea, but I have a great idea. Let's go to index. I can just yoink the code I have it in there. I wonder if there was a way to get everything to go back. Way to have the same code copied stuff over. I think there is really. They're very specific enough. Okay, well, shopping. It's shopping lists. Shopping lists. Thanks, it's gonna work. I hope. I hopes. I do hopes. And what else do we have? We need to. I mean, first we want the form for creating a new list, a new item. Actually, we can just copy the same code that this one guy has. The lists PDF has. Lists slash. Pose actions to a specific list. Surely we could. Okay, so we have individual item. I am so smart. That was correct. Okay, so that list that actually we can just copy that, or we could have. Now I already wrote it out. Exactly how is it? Oh yeah. You have. That's fine. I think that's fine. Method equals pose action. Yes. Wait. This is the rules for it. Adding items to shopping list and list of existing items. Add item. No. It'll be the submit. Add item. Item. Wrap. Item. Oh boy. Item. Name is. I guess I wish it could be name. Item. Hello. Oh, hello. I am programming. Writing some code for a project I need to. Yes, I'm using Linux, specifically Ubuntu. Welcome. I am so far getting some good functionality. I'd show it, but it's a bit. But everything's stuck on my laptop, and my laptop can't stream and write and run VMware in Linux. What was doing something? Yes, programmer. What? It's fine to disturb. Now I think, though. I also need to think. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. I was doing something. Brain forgot. Gaming PC to stream, but it's expensive. Yeah, they are. I'm using the gaming PC from a decade ago. That's not so good. Can't play any modern games. You don't see, but I can see. You can see. Wait a minute. Ah, yes, you can see that. I put it there. It's nice. It's the only thing I can show currently. I hope to make a project, make it a project where I can actually show the code and the actual output. But that's a later project. Okay, for now. We have the input field, no we don't. What we do? We can add the item, we have the name. Oh, I won't stay too long, I'm in school, I got free time now. Yeah, have fun. Have fun. It's good to pay attention in school. Probably. Thanks for stopping by. Yes, indeed, can't be a downer. I just need to get this to work and then everything is good for probably for today. Need to eat at some point. Okay, text name. Yeah, we can use the name probably for that. Thanks for live streaming. No problem. It's fun. It's actually very fun to do and helps with actually doing stuff. Otherwise I get too lazy and just do nothing. I can stay about for about 20 minutes. That's plenty. I'll probably be around at max an hour. Or as soon as I get these list items working. Or this one thing working. Here's the name is working. I need the idea of where that specific page is. The same, I do videos. Videos. I am, for the most part, too lazy to do videos. They take a lot more effort. Live streaming is super simple in that. You can just press a button and do everything else. Downloadable on all devices, I'm pretty sure. Wait, what is downloadable? You mean YouTube? Ooh, finding things. Right. There we are. CapCut? I've never heard of it. CapCut? Video editor. Well. There's another video editor. Cool. I mainly use Windows. Is this Mac? Seems to be Mac. Can you get it on Windows? I use Premiere. Okay, it's for Windows and Mac. Maybe Linux. It doesn't say if it's for it. But interesting. Maybe I should no, listing each task for item. Other recordings of the OBS Studio. Yeah, I'm using OBS. It's very useful. You can do both the recording and the live stream. Oh, Visual Studio Code. Don't start crashing on me now. Okay, cool. No. Don't do that. You can't crash on me. I haven't done it. I didn't find anything that said it would be. Maybe. Oh wait, is it? Oh, maybe. Get a quick look. Well, that's interesting thing. But if it's just some website. Is it an online editor or downloadable editor? Text to speech, resize, what? Alright. I mean, I have, so I'm using Windows mainly, but I have Linux running in a virtual box. You know, I'm using VMware to run Linux on my laptop. But I mainly edit everything. If I do editing, I use my desktop and Premiere so far. Adobe Premiere. It's completely functional for now. Yeah, so it seems to do so. Okay, added the. Okay. Okay, we need to add the functionality for adding lists. Google Play, Microsoft Store, Google Play, and App Store have it. Oh, it's on mobile as well. Oh yeah, it is. It did say that it would be on mobile. The editing on mobile that's an interesting thing to do. I've never tried. Copy, no, copy paste. Can't copy that code. Wait, okay. To the page, we're gonna add something. Okay. We don't need to find anything yet. Yeah, it's also supported on PC. Good. I saw that. Console not supported. Yep. I don't even have any consoles. At least yet. One day maybe. We need to add the right. Did I already make code for adding this? Oh, I did. I get make. I've been ahead of myself before I even knew it. Anyway, that's a list. We need a. It has an icon of a camera with an X on it. Yeah, yeah. I see, I see. I see it, I see it. Oh, yeah, yeah. If you look further away, it looks like a camera. Yes, I see, I see. How do I... Yes? Someone does this character guy similar to you. Is AI your channel? How you guys do this? Do programming? But that's not how you find anybody. What do you mean, do live streaming or do programming? Oh, I see. That's how you write the name. With the character guy? Oh, you mean you mean this guy that I'm moving? Well, actually, that's gonna take a while to see. Did it? I mean, there's a delay. Okay, now it's shown. I guess it has a 30-second delay. Yes, okay, okay. So, I made it using Vroid and a bunch of assets I found from Booth. From Booth? Where is it? Booth.com. Booth.pm. I found them there, some assets, and Vroid Studio. And then for the tracking, I'm just using vMagic Mirror. So I can probably write it down. Oh, fantastic. Vroid Studio for creating character and vMagic Mirror for tracking. Vroid Studio for creating character and vMagic Mirror for tracking. vMagic Mirror is nice because it can do the mouth movement through the mic. It can do the tracking of the mouth movement. That's a lot more convenient for now. It'll help a lot. Good to hear. Have fun. It takes a bit. At least Vroid Studio takes a bit to get used to. I need to show right now. I need to ask it. Add it. You might have a different problem. I mean, I guess I could add the code there. Maybe we should have. Do it. Well, no, Visual Studio, don't you explode on me. I could make a new controller. Will you do a live stream? I'll be happy if you ever. I'm already finished the base game. There's the DLC. I've done the live streams. You can find there's a playlist on the whole game, but there is the DLC still that I haven't done. I just gotta buy it at some point. Yeah, Ready. For the channel, yes, it is I think it's just if you go. Yeah, I've made previous live streams. There's a whole playlist somewhere there. Yes, it is. No. Those are from the live stream that I just edited. Those the shorts are edited from a live stream. Hmm. I guess I'll create them here for now. On the add item. Well, that's not how you do that. Any of that asynchronous. Async. Do I need a request? Right. There's a game out there which is really popular but not modern. It's called My Summer Car. Your PC should be able to handle it. Ah, sweet. New games. My Summer Car. I've seen it before. Wait, I think I've seen something about it. What kind of game is this? Ultimate car owning building fiction 2D maintenance permadeath life survival simulator. Wait a minute. That escalated quickly. Start the game with hundreds of loose parts and assemble both car and engine. Oh, I become a car master now. Hell yeah. Yeah, this looks like something that I should be able to run. Your car. Okay. Yeah, should function. Ooh, it's still in early access. Wait, what? How is wait? It came in 2016. Ooh, some mods can change the FPS. Cool. 50 euros. I guess I can buy that and test it out at some point. Full audio. Finish. Great. You know, the game is actually pretty hard. Yeah, I can imagine. I have no real knowledge about cars myself, so this will probably be extra hard. Well, this seems fantastic. Yes, I could look into it soon enough. And probably buy it. Yeah, but it's really fun. I can imagine. I do want to test it out now. Yeah, request. If I remember correctly, I need a request from a task. If I could write ever. So, don't we need the exact same stuff? don't know if I'm gonna name them actually that way. You're gonna be renamed. Have a new name. Your name is not gonna be name. You're gonna use the item name. Do not crash. How did you even accomplish crashing? Or attempted crash? I'm around 1 to 5 p.m. for me, or 8 p.m. unless 1 a.m. for you. Wait, 8 p.m. 1 a.m. for me. Wait, what's the specific time zone? What's the time zone? Is it PST? Is it time? No, it's not PST. It's 8 a.m. in PST. But 8 p.m. I think I can do stuff at 8 p.m. I think that I can do the streams then. Yeah, no, it originally wasn't supposed to, but I pressed the button and I couldn't change it. Yeah, so change the time, so 8 p.m. or 1 a.m. I can do 8 p.m. That's very functional. Yeah, with clocks, okay. Yeah, so 8 p.m. I usually do 1 hour streams with games. 1 to 2 hours. It should be functional. That oh hi, oh yeah. Okay. I didn't even do anything and you crashed. How could this happen in Visual Studio? The value. Oh yeah, I was changing the value of the item now. MTS My Summer Car. Yeah, I found it on Steam. It's on. I have to go. Yeah, have fun. Bye bye. Nice chatting with you. Nice chatting with you too. Thanks for stopping by. I'll finish up here soon. List control. You were in charge, yeah? Troy was action. Now, when of all times are you breaking? If we do it, I gotta do it tomorrow because tonight I'm helping with younger kids ceremony. I'm a high schooler. Bye. Bye bye. Have fun. Yeah, I'll look into some of the stuff. Play that music. Oops. Wow. The code is gonna be roughly the same. Ethan, you want a lesson? Don't one? Break leaves the don't quit. The service? This was a create. Whoops. Whoopsie. Well, well. Great item. 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 Wait. Yeah, get the item. Service create item. Redirect to list slash. Wait. How do I redirect to item? How do you? This is a. Ah, that might be a problem. Wait, this item. Be more curious than I initially thought. Can you redirect it? Task new, add task. Oh, work and creation. All right, you are Al. You are Al. Hmm. Okay, now bye. Oh, you better yeah. Bye bye. Have fun. You are on. Could I make that into a utility? Be a bit more convenient. No, actually, I think I need a unique URL parts. Actually, I could do with a request details. Wait, that's a different utility. Really don't want to make a separate utility right now, especially with our exploding. Wait, buddy, don't explode. Hmm. Hmm. I think. Would you make a controller for it? Ah, I guess we should create a controller first. Item controller controller players. Serious? There you go. Should really use some functionality. No, you can not crash on me. Raise that. Probably import those. And so we have in the file. I think I need. Yeah. Item. Nah, screw it, it's an item now. URL. I mean, maybe I don't need it that much. I can mainly focus on getting the constant URL. Well, const URL equals new URL or request URL. What? Which URL is it? Const. I don't think I need the part. I need the part. Split by. Did I not have a better function for this? I remember writing something better for giving URL stuff. Where? Oh, where is it? Push. Not. Wait a minute. I'm in the completely wrong place. No, that's old stuff. Oh boy. That's not what you want to see. The best is alright, that's not it. Forms and data. We're already working with oh wait, maybe it's in the redirect. Submissions. Surely I have something better. Requested. Oh, wait a minute. You're telling me we didn't do anything about this? Oh boy. That's not a good thing. If it's done somewhere, but not here. Oopsie. Yep. It's not there. New templates? New templates? Or should, okay, whatever, well, we will just do it how it was done here. The same idea. URL, okay, find parts. Actually, why would I do that? Just do a URL ID. URL parts. Wait, should it be? Const item ID. The ID equals URL parts. And probably. That's how it's there. But that's fine. Done. Ooh. You can stop exploding. Probably 20 minutes we can finish here. Oops. Wait, yes. Your parts. Reports 2. Wait, 2. Yeah, we need to do 1, 2, whatever. By the ID. And then we just redirected the No! Oh no! This is really awesome way. Why isn't it? It's not working? Oh, I see. No, wait. Lol. Lol. Oh, backticks, right. That's how you do that. Anyways, we need to wait. Item ID. Backtick. And backtick. Oops. Right, you create the item. What the universe? You want wait. Right, we're supposed to do the creation of the item in the other place. It's gonna be in the file service.js. So what do you have? I mean, you have access to database. May be very useful. Oh my. Great. Item active items, I guess. Items. You can do whatever you want now. It's not as important. Item. Good item. Item name. Insert into shopping list. Oh wait, this is gonna be real interesting. Where is that creation? Shopping list items. Shopping list items. Name. Is it name? There's an ID. Shears. Integer references. Shopping lists ID. Oh, okay. So I think it's already doing my job for me. Item name. Default is fine. You can do that. As long as you don't explode like that. So we can create an item, maybe. That might actually require some item service from item service. But wait, we don't even export it yet. Oh, wait, we do it. Export. Item to. I think you need to do some. Wait. Copy. No. Copy. That's how you copy code. Item service. Ooh. Item service. No. Of course you are. Over there, you. Wait. You will create more. Whoa. I have a request. That's not what we are doing. Entry service. Service. Oh. I think it doesn't need that. We might just need an item. Wait, what? We might just need the this name item list controller formulate getting. Okay, so we can use the same similar logic at least. Wait a minute, does it know what it's supposed to do? Shopping lists ID. Does it remember what it's? Does it know what it's supposed to do? Because I don't know if it knows where it's supposed to put the items. List, no, not list, item service, create item, ID, You might wanna use the item ID as well. I guess we can test it out. Oops. I don't think app has anything. There might be a problem. I just come on. I need to get to app.js if you would, Visual. Thank you, Visual Studio. You can let work. I'm gonna even use. Oh, what am I doing? I think this is where we get really confusing with ifs. Oh yeah, we can use what regular expression. Oh, I get it. This becomes a match type. Matching type? Oh boy, that's not so hot. Wait. Wait, can I just have an similar ifs? We can ignore the requirement. Just do regular expression directly. You'll have to keep to that. Oh. 0 to 9. Wait, 0 to 9? Oh, like write any number. Any number. And get it. Post Oh no! You're that's 0 to 9 plus do item on alright, service item controller, this service here. Item controller, add item, post, add the item, right? If it's not nine. Wait, how did we get the list? Look at this control. At least direct. Right. Or create the list. Okay, you're missing a semicolon. Semicolon. Data you will await. Item service active items. What about your items? Item. No. Item data. You want to use the wait, list is listed if actually you might want to be list object. It's data object and items. If I would and you can roll item again. Active items, okay. You do that. Oh wait, not don't name them. They're gonna have to be using the same. New item. That is JS. But is it possibly because Docker is running? Docker have a rain leak somewhere? Might be leaking. I don't like that. Might be a huge problem. Lists. Oh. Items. We don't bring it to you. Wait, it did have something. Collect. Nah, I mean, we can choose collect. False. Collect the equals false. From shopping lists. And we list items. Lists. Items. Okay. Right, Docker. I forgot. Oh, wait, that's not how you do it. Wait, it doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't Docker having a leak? Maybe VMware having a leak now. How do I think about it? memory leak specifically. Well, we only have one thing to finish here. Alright, I pressed wrong button. Dagger compose. You can build it again. I don't know how much I've quite or created. Connections, you're doing it, and you're done. Click on one. Yeah. Which one gets triggered though? I don't think any of them get triggered at this point. Get. Oh, right. View list using. I guess view items. I refuse to. Maybe it could be view item. At least I know. View list. No, view items. That's how you want. No, actually, view list because otherwise the game, the naming scheme is getting V. Actually, view items, view item. Why not? Do that. We can do it. Okay, well that's not. List.et. List.et. Work. JS. Why are you not going? Okay, because it's not matching. I guess it needs this match. It's a bit of a problem, or rather, it becomes a problem. Match. Wait, we have this here. This will fix it. If it doesn't, then we have a better problem. Yeah, we have a better problem. List 39. Oh wait, here. We're going to use list control. Better than make even item control. Use an item control. No wonder we got wrong. We were wrong. Oh. We're using the most amount of time here, waiting around for controller to do something. Oh wait, no, for Visual Studio not to crash. Yeah. Hello, hello. You might do something. That may not actually. Well, it should. It did not. Wait, what? What? What's an items control? There's an item controller. It's a bit item. Okay, I'm starting to believe. That my name is going to get out of hand. Maybe they should be named list controller lists controller and the least controller. But that would create some naming problems. I like the working items. Item controller, item controller. Well, a big problem. It doesn't wanna go very. Wait, path name match. Oh, it's match, right? Like that. I was right in the first place. No wonder nothing was working. Ooh. Will squeeze your existence. Universe views don't start matching. Or working. Wait, no, not matching. Matching. I mean, Visual Studio doesn't stop loading its head. Fortunately, restarting it doesn't even fix the problem. Somewhere in the VMware. Or maybe it's in my Ubuntu. Maybe it's my Linux. Somebody has to leave. I can do one away with that. Okay, that was pointless. Path name, okay. Path name that match. We'll try that. Working? Yep. How amazing. Ah, there we are. Or we are not. It should have been 4 clicks. It's actually, the problem is getting worse now. So, it's crashed. How much crashing constantly? It used to have little bits of time when it wasn't doing that. Now it's doing it constantly. Unfortunate. Name dot. Okay. Go. And it's internal server error. The item is not a function. Oh. Who named it? Oh, I named it. Right. How did I forget the name that I gave it? What is not view items? Is it view list? That's where. I swear to me that this shall be renamed. If you would rename. Are you willing to work for 5 seconds? Ready? Okay, now. Boom. Now that's a list control. Item. Alright, then I've exported them. Export item and view items. Right. Such a good point. Maybe it's a constant save, but create some problems. Okay. Did you? You did not go where you're supposed to. Anyways, that's that. Is let him. Question mark? Yeah, wait. Docker, you should have. In Docker, we should have the working with containers. We should have the database stuff, right? Then from the console line, execute it. Postgres username database. PSQL. Username database. Ooh. Docker execute it. That's more like it. Postgres database SQL. No, it's not SQL, it's PSQL. PSQL. Username database. Username. Yeah, I probably username database. I think that's it. Really no content. Oh, broken over. I don't know. With 8. PSQL database. PSQL username database. First. Month. Well, what was that? Hey, Docker. Give me the dump container. Don't like. I'm gonna go. I like container. We shall need to take a few. Is it that container? Why? Whoopsie. There's a copy like that. That's why you're supposed to copy. Maybe it's a really good improvement on the. Well. Username. Okay, that's how we do it. Right. How to understand. Yeah. Bread database could be Postgres database for clarity's sake, so that one understands to insert own Docker containers the base ID there. Anyways, okay, how do I see the insides of my database? I don't care about the inside. I'm gonna look into it. Now list the items. Wait. Here's cool. Okay, maybe here's cool. Show items in a table. In a table. Command line. Whoop. Ooh. Select. I mean, okay. To be fair, it was stupid of me not to realize that you just use basic as the same PSQL code that you use in the other stuff from this items. Oh. Select everything from shopping lists. Hmm. Oh. Select everything from shopping lists. Okay, syntax error. You can't do select. What do you mean you can't do a select? There are no items. How could that be? Oh wait, shopping list. Shopping lists. If those exist. Items. I don't think that's will be working. No functionality. Functionality has left, so that's bad. Oh wait, that's right. I never changed the code. Match this. Right. I never had the code to post code. Doesn't work. Posting code? But I need to go fix that. That's why I never added anything. If this works, we'll have a really cool thing working here. Okay, well, Visual Studios gave up. Do not give up so easily, my dear friend. We have only one object. Let's get to the JS. Copy, copy, and then paste. Okay. Alright, we don't have a doc. Oh no, never mind. Oh, my whole thing is gone. The terminals are gone. The terminals have reset, I mean. Well, practically the same thing. Docker execute. Docker compose up. Compose up. Docker yes. Oh wait, wait, it needs to first be running, right? Otherwise this is happy. You're going to be a happy camper. At least. Is that Daddy? Daddy? Wait, I might have to wait. Wait just a moment, my shopping list. Okay, there we are. Other PS. Okay. Seems to work. This seems fine. Wait, oh man, you don't have the code for Docker execute it exec it. That's not really right. That's already copied and paste. Hash it Postgres. Postgres. No. PSQL username database. This is not going anywhere, so it doesn't matter. Oh, now we can just get here. Get the list without crashing. Inside one of them, add item. I don't know, item. Item. Can they find me? I mean, I don't actually know. Please let me get to the Visual Studio without explosions, please. If this crashes, I'll have to. Let's give up. Now, or I must be. I need to. Well, that's some time. You are. This is we need to select what select from list items. Zeros. Name the item. Item controller. Oh. Wait. Item. Item. Item ID. Try to become something different. That's a problem. I don't know. Maybe console item ID. This is a pen. I had water. Hydration and water cooling. Do it. Oh yeah, copied you on so many times. Okay. We know exactly what we. Wait. Okay. First it was Visual Studio that was crashing, now it's Firefox. How can you be crashing? You shouldn't be able to do that either. How do you, Rose? Stop being so magical. Go to the list. Okay. Well, that's unfortunate. Really having a fun time. Oh, the moly. Gonna reach it. No, we just got here. A crush. Relish too. I don't think this is going anywhere. You have undefined. How's your parent? Okay. Have to cover off and then restart. Oh, silence. Good. Good. Beam there. Let's restart. That fixed it last time. Functionality now. Well, it's taking its time. Getting up. Boom. Almost there, almost there. If you would just restart. I just want this one thing. There. The Visual Studio. Open, open. Want food, but I cannot get food until I finish this. Seven. Okay. Yeah. I think there's a problem with that. Yes. I guess there's a problem with more than one thing. How did you? Manage that. Okay, cool. Cool. You were controlling your. Somehow it's undefined. That's that's a new problem. Okay. Clicker compose. Wait, not that. So I compose it up. Turn it on. See, let's see. There's something here. Fine. Opening, turning on. And listening. Yep. Okay, there we are. Listen on H on the 777. That's the that has the right path. Which then it does. What are you using with? Okay, fine. I'll get the normal type of URL. Jeez. URL. Fonts equal URL parts equals URL. Your new URL. URL.pathname. Pathname split. Split in your item ID. The parts item ID, and there we are. Okay, it's exploded. That's undefined. Undefined for some reason. Is it the... I get the feeling it's number 2. It has to do with number 2. My current ultimate theory. Undefined, undefined. Defined and undefined. Why? Oh, is it? I think I just read it, maybe. Nope, it's not there. Well. View task, view task. Add a task, return await. Await the item controller, add item request. Rewrite direct there. But the reason is when you press it, undefined becomes green. Why? Oh, whoopsie. This ID. Really? Hey, that might be. I think we've relied with the function. 403, no. Pod. You have, nope, you do not have. No, that's not it. That's the name, yeah, that much. For the task stuff. I guess work and wait, why don't they have their own? I don't wait, how do they not have their own? They do have. Come on. Ooh, I can believe. I can believe it. I please. Hmm. Society? Oh boy. That's fine. Sure. You know, like good. Fine. Yeah, I do. I had a feeling that it would have no idea what doing. Did it? Oh, it's undefined from the get-go. Cool. No, we know where the problem is. Adam controller. One needs to feed data. Redirect to have after that one. Finding an individual task. Not my interest. In service. In the service system. Yeah. Alright. Alright, didn't you? But now you keep everything as you do. What? Data. Find the data, but whatever means you do of interest to me. Find the service active item. That might be. List items. Alright. Point B. I do now need to do don't I? UI. Wait. Hmm. Wait, how do we use it? View task. Implement function, view task. Next service. Where function okay, this one goes to task controller. Item task. View items. Get this stuff. You're doing await active items. Okay, you're finding active items. Data. You also do need the item. Like the name of the item, but we also need the Wait. List. List name. Wait. Item. Wait. List. Service. List. Service. Service. List service. You need to find. Oh, wait. List. List. Dot. We need list. This content. View list. They're gonna have to find. Wait, is it list? View list. What do you call it? View list. List equals list this way. List equals list. Okay, we're gonna get the list. The actual list question. No, we're finding. We've got different stuff going. Never went to the trouble of. Oh, wait, there you are. Oh, yeah, fine. Okay. List. Find list by ID. Asynchronous, whatever the. Yes. I don't think we. Oh, wait, it takes an ID. Oopsie. Turn away. Wrong. Let. Not wait. Like off from. List where ID equals ID equals. How do you do it? It's just dollar. Just dollar ID. Yeah, I guess we're gonna add row. I guess it might be. Okay, problem, right. You'll be rename the comments to those because yes, right. Those and those dot. You mean rows dot line? No, lane rows. Because await SQL select. Yes. And rows dot. That's greater than 0. Return rows 0. The first item. Otherwise return ID 0. Name unknown. Unknown. Great. Lists. Yeah. The concerning part is why the rows are about being called. List by ID. Now we are on the list. Alright, we need to tell it. It is to be in the lists. Okay, find list by ID, export it. We can service. Now we need to item controller. Find this is list service. Service. You're fine, you're fine. The service dot find by ID. What is our ID? Alright. I guess that works. I guess it's number. Look at number two. Number two. Loaded. Controller. What do you expect? How do you expect that? Oh, that's a new double explosion. Oh yeah, the bridge was a big item out of game. Whoopsie. Point. Different next. As you found you. Undefined. Let's go ID. So I go to great, it's not working. I was supposed to put that. Your parts. Grab those. And render file. It's the. Oh wait, I wonder. This name. That name. There we are. And maybe now. Different type still undefined. Two item. Wait, items. Items of shoe or whatever. That's not. Of important. They get item. Get damn it. Item. Item. Item ID. Wait. You both have the same item IDs. But is it? Do you? Do you? You do have that. In console double log. Line test. In test. Line test. Okay, didn't even get to that item. Which should be a different bro. In parallel. ID. Right now. Might be explaining where the problem comes from. The items you're given. Oh yeah. And the ID. Wait. Oh boy, foundation. This video. Oh boy. Oh, the ID. You were. You did ask me to use the ID, right? Yeah, you use the ID of the whatever it is using. Data. It should use. Use. Should use it correctly. Yeah. I didn't get this far because it doesn't even have correct ID in the first place. When that's done, name, find the active items. How did we get to that in the first place? New items, some I. We do the press the thing. Text list.id. This service, I get it giving us ID at some point. We bet with the list few items or view item. No, view item is view items is called. If it gets the ID during that. So we press the get. Or in the list reference to list. Okay, the list with the list. Read the code before. Read code before. It's a waitlist service. Active list. Uh, the idea for that. There is something here, I know. Storage task. And we need to get to the tasks. Right. Oh. Oh. Individual task. I don't care about that. Alrighty. Task ID entry. So we have. It will contain whatever we have. Find by I. So we need to do it. Task. So we have to have a view item. A view item. We don't have a view. A view item? View list. No, we have to have view list. We have list. Wait list. Find by ID. A view task. From the service. This service. You who we want here. There we go. List. Wait. Find item ID. We reach the URL stuff. Item ID. We get there. We get there. Hmm. Web. Active items again. Never mind that. Find by ID. ID. Request. If it's a view, then we need to do a view. View list. View list. Gonna be new name. Good. Good problem is it? Always most list never exported. Oopsie, never exported. No. There's never wait. I had to give it some here's something. Oh, it's not even you in your domain. Something. Get rid of my terminal. Over PS Show me that stuff. Show me the goodies. Docker execute. Eat. File and then PSQL. Wait, what? I know where PSQL now. Username, database, and I'm gonna select everything from shopping list items. ID isn't showing up there, which means that we gotta get the shopping list ID from elsewhere and put it in there, but even always